Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Mark. How are you today, Sophia?
I'm great, Mark. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. And hey, if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel. It really helps other learners find us.
Yes, and don't forget to like this episode and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Perfect. So, what are we learning today?
Today, we're learning about the past. We're going to talk about things we did yesterday, last week, or last year.
Exactly. We use the past simple tense. It's very useful because we talk about the past every day.
That's right. You can tell stories, talk about your weekend, or share memories.
Okay, let's start. Sophia, are you ready?
Yes, let's begin with regular verbs in the affirmative form. That means positive sentences.
Good. So, in English, most verbs in the past are very easy. We just add ed to the end.
For example, the verb walk. Present, I walk. Past, I walked.
I walked to school yesterday.
Great example. Another one, play. Present, I play. Past, I played.
I played football last weekend.
Perfect. Let's try watch. Present, I watch. Past, I watched.
I watched a movie on Saturday.
Excellent. Now let's practice together. Mark, what did you do yesterday?
I cooked dinner yesterday.
Nice. I cleaned my apartment yesterday.
Okay, now you try. Think about yesterday. What did you do? Say it out loud. I what?
Take your time. For example, I worked, I studied, I talked to my friend.
Good. Let's continue. Sophia, let's give more examples with different verbs.
Sure. The verb listen. I listened to music yesterday.
The verb help. I helped my sister last week.
The verb start. I started a new book on Monday.
The verb finish. I finished my homework 2 hours ago.
Do you see the pattern? We add ed to the verb.
Yes, walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. Cook becomes cooked.
Exactly. Now let's talk about spelling. Most verbs just add ed, but some verbs have small spelling changes.
Right. For example, if a verb ends in e, we only add d.
Like live. We don't write livied, we write lived.
I lived in London last year.
Another example, like. We write liked, not liked.
I liked that restaurant.
Good. Now, if a verb ends in consonant plus y, we change the y to I and add ed.
For example, study becomes studied.
I studied English yesterday.
Carry becomes carried.
He carried the bags.
Okay, one more spelling rule. If a short verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last letter.
Like stop. It becomes stopped with 2 P's.
I stopped at the store.
Plan becomes planned with 2 N's.
We planned a party.
Don't worry if this feels difficult. You'll learn these patterns with practice.
Exactly. Now let's practice pronunciation. Listen carefully. Walked.
Walked. The ed sounds like t here.
Played.
Played. The ed sounds like duh here.
Started.
Started. The ed sounds like id here.
These are the 3 sounds of ed. But don't worry too much about this now. Just listen and repeat.
Yes, your ear will learn it naturally. Okay, let's do a quick drill. I'll say a verb and Mark will make a past sentence.
Ready?
Cook.
I cooked pasta yesterday.
Watch.
I watched TV last night.
Clean.
I cleaned my room on Sunday.
Great. Now you try at home. Say these sentences out loud. I worked yesterday. I played tennis. I watched a video.
Excellent practice. Now let's move to negative sentences. This is when we say we didn't do something.
Yes, in negative sentences, we use did not or didn't plus the base verb.
Important, we don't add ed to the verb in negative sentences.
Right, we say I didn't walk, not I didn't walked.
The word didn't already shows its past, so the verb stays in the base form.
Let's see examples. Positive, I worked yesterday. Negative, I didn't work yesterday.
Positive, I played football. Negative, I didn't play football.
Positive, I watched TV. Negative, I didn't watch TV.
See, we use didn't plus the base verb. Didn't work, didn't play, didn't watch.
Let's practice. Mark, did you cook yesterday?
No, I didn't cook yesterday. I ordered food.
Okay. Did you clean your house?
No, I didn't clean my house. I was busy.
Good. Now let me try. I didn't study yesterday. I was too tired.
I didn't listen to music this morning. I listened to a podcast.
Nice. Now you try. Think of something you didn't do yesterday. Say, I didn't what?
For example, I didn't work. I didn't play games. I didn't call my friend.
Take a moment and say your sentence out loud.
Great job. Remember, use didn't plus the base verb.
Now let's practice with different subjects. With he, she, or it, we also use didn't.
She didn't work yesterday.
He didn't play football.
It didn't rain last night.
With we, you, or they, same thing. We use didn't.
We didn't watch the movie.
They didn't study for the test.
You didn't call me yesterday.
See? Didn't works for all subjects. Very easy.
Okay, now the third part. Questions in the past simple.
Yes. To make a question, we use did at the beginning, then the subject, then the base verb.
Again, we don't add ed to the verb in questions.
The structure is did plus subject plus base verb.
For example, did you work yesterday?
Did you play football?
Did you watch TV?
Let's practice. Mark, did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I did. I cooked chicken. Did you clean your apartment?
Yes, I did. I cleaned it on Saturday. Did you listen to music today?
No, I didn't. I was too busy. Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did. I studied for 1 hour.
Perfect. Now let's practice with other subjects. Did he work yesterday?
Did she play tennis?
Did they watch the movie?
Did we finish the homework?
Great. Now, how do we answer these questions? We can give short answers.
Yes, we can say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
Did you work yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you play football?
No, I didn't.
We can also give long answers with more information.
Did you work yesterday? Yes, I worked from 9 to 5.
Did you play football? No, I didn't play football, but I played basketball.
Both are correct. Short answers and long answers.
Okay, let's do a drill. I'll ask questions and Sophia will answer.
Ready?
Did you walk to work today?
No, I didn't. I took the bus.
Did you cook breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did. I cooked eggs.
Did you watch TV last night?
No, I didn't. I read a book.
Excellent. Now you try at home. Answer these questions out loud. Did you study yesterday? Did you clean your room? Did you call a friend?
Great practice. Now let's put everything together with a short story.
Good idea. I'll tell you about my day yesterday, and you can listen for the past simple verbs.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yesterday was Tuesday. I waked up. I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Ah, woke is irregular, but let's focus on regular verbs today.
Right. So I started my day. I brushed my teeth and I dressed. No, I got dressed.
Got dressed is also irregular. Let's use regular verbs.
Okay. I prepared breakfast. I cooked eggs and I toasted bread.
Nice. Prepared, cooked, toasted. All regular verbs with ed.
Then I walked to work. It was a beautiful day.
Walked. Good.
I arrived at work at 8:30. I worked on my computer all morning.
Arrived and worked. Perfect.
At lunch, I talked to my colleague. We discussed our weekend plans.
Talked and discussed. Great examples.
After work, I visited the supermarket. I needed some food.
Visited and needed. Excellent.
I returned home at 6 o'clock. I was tired.
Returned. Good. What did you do at home?
I relaxed on the sofa. I watched TV for 1 hour.
Relaxed and watched. Very good.
Then I called my mom. We talked for 30 minutes.
Called and talked. Nice.
After that, I prepared dinner. I cooked pasta with vegetables.
Prepared and cooked again. Great.
I finished dinner at 8 o'clock. Then I listened to music.
Finished and listened. Perfect.
Finally, I brushed my teeth and I climbed into bed at 10:30.
Wonderful story, Mark.
Thank you. Did you notice all the regular past verbs?
Yes, let's count them. Prepared, cooked, toasted, walked, arrived, worked, talked, discussed, visited, needed, returned, relaxed, watched, called, prepared again, cooked again, finished, listened, brushed, climbed.
Wow, that's a lot. 20 regular past verbs in one story.
Exactly. This shows how useful the past simple is.
Now, let's review everything we learned today.
Great idea. First, we learned affirmative sentences. We add ed to regular verbs.
I walked. I played. I watched. I cooked. I cleaned.
Second, we learned negative sentences. We use didn't plus the base verb.
I didn't walk. I didn't play. I didn't watch. I didn't cook. I didn't clean.
Third, we learned questions. We use did plus subject plus base verb.
Did you walk? Did you play? Did you watch? Did you cook? Did you clean?
And we learned short answers. Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
We also learned some spelling rules. Most verbs just add ed.
But verbs ending in e just add d, like lived, liked.
Verbs ending in consonant plus y change to ied, like studied, carried.
And some short verbs double the last consonant, like stopped, planned.
Don't worry if you don't remember all the spelling rules now. You'll learn them with practice.
Exactly. The most important thing is to practice speaking and writing.
Now, we have a question for you. This is your practice for today.
We want you to write in the comments. Tell us about your day yesterday.
Use past simple verbs. Try to write at least 3 sentences. Use the verbs we learned today.
For example, yesterday I woke up at 7. I worked from 9 to 5. In the evening, I cooked dinner and I watched TV.
Or, yesterday I studied English. I listened to this podcast. I practiced speaking.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. The important thing is to practice. Write your sentences in the comments.
We love reading your comments and we'll reply to help you.
Also, if you have questions about today's lesson, ask us in the comments.
Yes, we're here to help you learn English.
Okay, before we finish, let's remember, learning English takes time.
That's right. Don't feel bad if you make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
The key is to practice every day. Even just 10 minutes helps.
Listen to English, speak English, write English, read English.
And watch our podcast. We make new episodes every week.
So please subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button.
And click the bell icon so you get notifications when we post new episodes.
Also, like this video if you found it helpful.
And share it with your friends, classmates, or family members who are learning English.
If you have ideas for future topics, write them in the comments. We read all your suggestions.
Yes, we want to make lessons that help you.
Okay, I think that's everything for today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening and learning with us.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't give up.
We believe in you. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.